Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, what is Google Photos archive? So archive in Google Photos, this one is the feature what hides your selected photos and videos from the main photos feed. Sorry, not this, like from this. And archive items are not deleted. They stay in your account, and you can find them using smart search. You can find them in the albums, and to add them to archive, you need to select your photos. Let's say this one or some photos. Then scroll and select Move to Archive. To view them, you need to go to Collections. Then you need to scroll down and go to Archive line. And right here you have them. So you can also unarchive them anytime. You need to select them, then click three dots and unarchive. Or you can just enter if you want to only one photo. You need to open this photo, then click at the three dots at the right top and click on archive here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.